Open the laser marking machine housing. Remove the 3 mounting screws on the front cover. Loosen the 3 screws below slightly. There is no need to remove them. The same goes for the back cover. Next, remove the mounting screws from both side covers. Remove the top cover. Next, remove the side cover. Unplug the power strip with the indicator lights. Cut the zip tie. Unscrew the screws and remove the front cover. Remove the lens mounting screw. Put on the new scope. Tighten. Align the screw with the hole and tighten it securely. Use cable ties to organize the wires. Plug in the power strip with indicator lights. At this point, you can plug it in and turn it on to test whether it works properly. Make sure everything is working properly before reattaching the cover. Install the front cover first. Install the side covers on both sides, securing one screw at a time. Install the top cover. Finally, tighten all the screws to secure everything in place.